Hello dear Capricorns, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the full moon, and or you can call it the super flower blood moon of May 26, 2021. There's a lunar eclipse happening. So this is the reading. This is the special messages that you have from your guided angels and around this time, and that is from this particular deck. Let's see what the angel has to say about you guys. Oh, just started shuffling, so can't take that card. Oops, electricity went. The weather is a little crazy here thanks to the cyclone and everything that's happening around us. I'm going to select two cards, guys. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, it's quite clear. Maybe I'm going to select this one, Angel of Communication. Okay, and I'm going to select this one, Angel of Emotional Balance. All right. All right, Capricorns. So I believe around this time you guys are going through a lot of emotional turmoil. I believe that you guys have a lot of questions in your mind. You need answers. You're not getting those answers. You feel like, I feel some of you are feeling you're stuck. You don't know which way to go, left or right. You are seeking for some answers from the universe and you don't know how to get them. So that's why the Angel of Emotional Balance and Angel of Communication comes into picture, because you are trying to find some answers, I believe, Capricorns, around this time. I hope these affirmations will help you. Some questions that the angels will ask you, ask them to yourself, and they will also give you the answer what you need to do. And apart from that, there are some positive affirmation that if you say them 3 times consecutively, like, you know, whatever that affirmation is for you, that I'm safe, I'm happy, and this and that, say that 3 times at least once a day. Start speaking them today. Speak them until the blood moon, so that, you know, you are feeling better, you're able to get those answers, and you're feeling sane, you know, your light is back. So let's begin. I'll begin with the Angel of Emotional Balance first, and your stone is aquamarine. The angel is asking you, are your emotions in turmoil? You know, that could be because of a lot of reasons. That could be because of some problems with your partner, parent, job, or just too much health issues, or sickness, or just generally a lot of negativity that's surrounding you in terms of the weather conditions, or in terms of just the people or the relative or the loved ones that you know around you which are suffering. So something like that. So definitely there's a lot of emotional turmoil which is going on. It's also asking you, are you feeling uneasy? So definitely, Capricorns, you're feeling uneasy. It's saying the angels want you to spend time at the water's edge to regain emotional balance. If there is a water nearby, if there's a pool nearby, and if you know in your area you can go there, it is allowed, then please go there, spend some time besides water. If you don't have water, then you can take a bowl, a big bowl, put some water in it, put some flowers and candles in it, and just sit by its side. You will feel peace. You know, that is what you need to do. It's saying clear away any negative energy you may have accumulated from unsettling conversations or negative internal dialogue. So it could be something which is happening around you with other people that you're facing. Maybe you're fighting with your partner or your parent, or your job is in trouble, or with your colleagues or something like that. Or it may be just a general internal dialogue which you may be having with yourself. You know, that what is happening around me, I can't do anything, this is not nice, the weather is not great, the cyclone is not happening, there's so much of sadness around me, or sickness around me. Or that if it has to do something with your personal life, like your relationship or your job, then you might be questioning yourself, am I good enough? I'm not able to do this, I'm not able to do that, I'm not able to study well, I don't know if I can do it or not, I don't think I can do it, you know, that I can't do it. So you're blaming yourself for something or the other. Please don't do that, because it's saying that you have to clear away from any negative energy that you might have surrounded around your aura. So you cleanse your aura, sit by water, which is going to help you. And the positive affirmation that you need to do and start doing it from today until the blood moon is, I'm able to identify my feelings and resolve unsettling emotions. Negativity flows away effortlessly and lovingly. My My emotional body is awash with positive energy. I enjoy a sense of balance. Safe travel over or on water is a certainty. Maybe some of you might be thinking of traveling, which is not being possible around this time, and that's why you are a little, uneasy about that. Maybe you had to cancel your tickets, or maybe there's somebody waiting for you out there. So that kind of a thing. Okay, so what is the angel of communication asking you? Are you receiving intuitive messages? Do you wish to be more intuitive? So some of you might be looking for answers. Some of you might be sitting with your head like this and asking to God, like, oh God, what do I do? What do I do? My parents are stuck there and I can't go. Or my children are stuck there and I can't go. Or I am stuck here. I don't know, whatever. You are basically asking for signs and guidance from your angels and God. The angel is telling you to quiet your mind. Accept communication from angels and spirit guides. True communication includes listening, speaking, and observing. Maybe you're just talking and not listening to others. Maybe you're not observing what's happening around you, and that's why you're not getting the answers. Communication is not just that you have to talk. Communication also means that you have to listen to other people. You have to understand what they're saying. You have to observe people's actions, observe your surroundings, what's happening around you. All these are a part of communication, and maybe you're lacking in one or more of those signs. So quiet your mind, communicate well, accept communication from angels and spirit guides, notice messages from nature and surroundings. I was just doing this, I think, reading for Aries, and they got the similar angels. So notice the signs, notice the signs, like if you're asking God or the angels to give you a sign and you see repetitive numbers like 1111 or 666 or 777, that's a sign that you're getting to whatever answers you have asked. So look for the meanings. You can Google it. What does actually 777 means? Maybe there's something you're doing wrong, or maybe the angel is guiding you that yes, that's the right path, or yes, what you're thinking is right, or yes, that the decision or the idea in your mind is the right one, and you have to go for it. Something like that. So check out, Google it, and at this point of time, quiet your mind if you're not able to make decisions. Of course, emotional balance is very important. Stop thinking negatively, and I feel if you'll stop thinking negatively and you'll quiet your mind, stay away from the news if possible, because that's only going to make it worse. You will get the answers. You'll start understanding the situation. You'll start understanding where you stand, what you can do, what you can't do around this time, right? So quiet your mind and say these affirmations. So the angel of communication has for you is: I send and receive messages with ease and grace. Guidance and inspiration from my angels and other spirit guides come to me moment by moment. I interpret the messages I receive and apply them to my life with wisdom. So start saying these. If you're having trouble of any kind, Capricorns, around this time, start speaking these affirmations. Say them at least 3 times. Speak these affirmations until the blood moon, so that you're relaxed, you're able to quiet your mind, you're able to make decisions, right? So this was your message that you need to take: emotional balance and quieting your mind a little so that you're able to make decisions. Say these affirmations and I'm sure your life will be much better. I am going to see you soon, so till then, you guys take care. Okay, bye bye.